Hello there and welcome to another tutorial from AKCP. Right now we're going to have a look at the basic setup of a camera to the security probe. So the first thing we need to do on the summary page is go to the camera settings on the left hand side, and when we twirl down that list you'll see that we have a number of options available to us. Now the first one is the viewing options. We have ActiveX, Applet and JavaScript. Below that we have the display options, which is video 1 through to video 4. Now if you've already got your cameras connected to the unit like I have, you'll notice that you can't select any of these options at present, and that's because you need to actually do the basic setup of the camera. So in order to do that we're going to go to the settings tab and click there, and this takes us to our home page of the settings tab, and we're going to select the option on the left which says camera. Okay, and first of all the first thing we need to do is change it from off to on, and then we can go ahead and click save. Okay, now again you'll see the video labelled video 1 through to video 4, and within these fields you can actually change the V1, V2, you can delete it and type in the name of your camera. However, what I like to do, because you might not have 4 cameras connected, is before you do anything we're going to go to the advanced camera options. And here we are inside our advanced camera options. Now within it here you can see that from video 1 to video 3 we don't have any signal being detected, but on video 4 you can see that we have a camera selected, so you make sure that you have it enabled. Then you have the second option here which is rotate 180 degrees. Now the reason I have mine selected is because I'm currently using for this demonstration an AKCP ceiling mounted camera, but it's upside down on my desk, so I selected rotate it 180 degrees so we get the correct viewing angle. Also if you have the microphone there in the camera, you can select enable audio and make sure that you have the video conf option also selected. Before we go ahead and click save, I'm just going to very quickly talk about the JPEG Q factor. Now this does exactly what the sentence says below. The higher that you have this number in this box right here, you will get better quality pictures. As you lower this number, you'll get a lower quality picture, but it will be a faster streaming video. I normally have mine set anywhere between 50 and 70. It tends to be fairly good. So I'll go right ahead now and click save. Okay, so we've got our camera selected. At this point, because we know that we are on video 4, you can go back to the camera options. You can go to your video 4 and change that for something a little bit more imaginative. So we'll have camera in office. We'll keep the image size as 320 by 240 and we'll click save. Okay, so that's the basic setup of the camera. All we need to do now is actually be able to view it. So we're going to go back to the summary page, and here we are, and you'll see now that on the display options, video 1, 2 and 3, you still can't select those, they're still unavailable, but video 4 we're now able to tick this box, so we're going to go right ahead and click in the video 4 option. Okay, and then it's just asking me for my administrator password. Press login, and there you go, there's our camera 4 viewing on the screen very nicely. Now in the next tutorial we're going to have a look at moving the camera and how you go about doing that with the pan, tilt and zoom control. But for now this was the basic setup of a camera. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.